Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of a square plus b square, where a square plus b is equal to 37 and b square plus a is equal to 37. A is not equal to b. Consider this equation as 1 and this equation as equation number 2. If we subtract equation 2 from equation 1, we can write a square plus b from equation 1 minus from equation 2 b square plus a is equal to this 37 minus this 37, or this a square plus this b minus negative times b square is negative b square, and this negative times positive a is negative a is equal to 37 minus 37 is 0. Or now rearranging left side, this a square minus this b square and this negative a and this positive b is equal to right side is 0. Or now applying formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b, we can write a plus b times a minus b, and taking common negative 1 from these two terms, we can write negative 1 of this a and it will be negative b is equal to 0. And taking common this a minus b, we can write left side a minus b times this a plus b, and here remain negative 1 is equal to 0. So a minus b times a plus b minus 1 is equal to 0. Then we can write a minus b is equal to 0, a minus b is equal to 0, or a plus b minus 1 is equal to 0. And taking this negative b to right side, we will get a is equal to b. But we have given a is not equal to b, so this is not acceptable. So finally we have a plus b minus 1 is equal to 0, and taking this negative 1 to right side, we will get a plus b is equal to 1. Consider this as equation number 3. Now adding this equation 1 and equation 2, we will get a square plus b from equation 1 plus b square plus a, this from equation 2, is equal to 37 from equation 1 and plus 37 from equation 2. Or rearranging this a square and this plus b square and this positive a and this positive b is equal to 37 plus 37 is 74. Or this left side a square plus b square, and from equation 3 we have a plus b is equal to 1. So substituting this value here, a plus b is equal to 1, we can write plus 1 is equal to this right side 74. And taking this 1 to right side, we will get the value of a square plus b square is equal to 74, and this will be -1, so 74 minus 1 is 73, and this is the value of a square plus b square. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.